Unraveling the phrasal verb. Join in. Dive into English. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of a common phrasal verb in the English language. Join in. This phrasal verb is frequently used in everyday conversations, making it an essential part of your English learning journey. In English, a phrasal verb is a verb that is followed by a preposition or an adverb. Together, they create a meaning that's different from the original verb. Join in is one such phrasal verb. The verb join on its own means to connect or to become a member of something. When you add the preposition in, it changes the meaning. To join in means to participate or take part in an activity that is already happening. It is commonly used in the context of social events, games, discussions, or any ongoing activity. For example, if you see your friends playing a game and you want to participate too, you can say, "Can I join in?" It's now time to see how join in is used in various sentences. This will help you understand the contexts and ways to use it. 1. Everyone started singing the birthday song, and I decided to join in. Here, join in means that the speaker decided to participate in the singing. 2. The meeting was already going on when I arrived, so I quickly joined in. In this sentence, join in is used to express that the speaker began participating in an already ongoing meeting. Remember, you can also use join in with an object. For instance, "Join us in the game," they said. Now, let's practice using join in. I'll provide the beginning of a sentence, and I want you to complete it using join in. Here are a few for you. 1. When the neighborhood kids started playing football. 2. As the team began brainstorming for ideas. Sarah. 3. During the charity event. Everyone was encouraged to do your best to complete these sentences, and remember, practicing helps to embed the usage of join in into your everyday English. Phrasal verbs like join in can make your English sound more natural and conversational. By understanding and practicing the use of join in, you've taken another step forward in your English language journey. I hope you found this video helpful and that you will feel confident to join in more conversations and activities. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.